guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about Melaleuca or tea tree oil. So in the US it's labeled Melaleuca, in New Zealand it's labeled tea tree oil, same plant. Many people, especially in New Zealand, I was about to let you smell it too. Do you want to smell it out there on the internet world? A lot of people in New Zealand are really familiar with tea tree oil because it's quite commonly used and it's sourced from Australia. I find in America a lot of people haven't come across it. So, top ways to use tea tree oil. If you have spots on your face or teenagers, tea tree oil is great at helping dry those out. So don't slather your face in it, it will dry your skin out. So just as needed, little spots. In New Zealand, where the humidity is just a constant about 90% and there's a lot of mold, tea tree oil is great for cleaning. So you can use it in the US for cleaning too, any kind of mold issues. But in New Zealand, I find it's great as a preventative shower spray. And then also diffusing it occasionally is really good. So if you're doing any kind of remodeling or mold remediation in New Zealand, add some tea tree in with that. It's also great for our skin as far as it comes to mold, so any kind of candida. So for me, if you're going to be working out at a gym or showering in public places, spray your feet or rub your feet with some tea tree oil when you're done. I've got a massage therapist that likes to put it on all her clients' feet just before she massages them. That's a great idea. It can also be taken in a glass of water. It doesn't have a horrible taste. And that's really good for our stomach, just for our gut, and kind of helping keep a little bit of a balance in there. And then I've talked previously about how tea tree is great in combination with oregano. So tea tree, oregano, frankincense, lemon, and On Guard. Internally, the second you feel like a scratchy throat coming on, just have those, put a little bit of tea tree oil on your throat, and it just helps your body, do what your body needs to do. So those are our main uses for tea tree.